Hey guys, welcome to my channel Reuben Ellis Films. My name is Reuben Ellis, and if you want to check my work, the link is in description. So this is the episode 2 of the self photo shoot series, and we're going to be shooting in this location. Yeah. And for this, we're going to be having two different looks. One will be inside water and one will be without water. And we're going to be using these candles as a prop. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, we're done with the first setup and he's helping me today. Say what's up?
What's up?
And that's Ayona, who's helping us through video call. Say hi.
Hello. Hi.
जलाना होगा आज. He's trying to light a candle from I don't know how long. Come on, do it.
Be careful, okay?
Yeah, be careful. Thank you. This one's not done. Oh, it's dead. Can you go and get another matchstick, please? I'm sweating over there. About the second look, we shot in a jacuzzi with water. So, will you mind showing water, bro? Yeah, water, but never mind. And there's my friend over there. You can see it on.
Hello.
Yes.
Hey guys.
Yeah, I just don't drop my camera. Okay. So, and I hope you guys love the shots and I enjoyed doing this. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much bro. Thank you so much Ayona. Hey guys, if you have enjoyed the video, do like, share and subscribe for more. It's hot. Never mind. So, if you have enjoyed the video, if you have enjoyed the video, do like, share and subscribe. And I'm signing off.